Not much data recovery, but problem is related to the USB connector. It just got broken, so it can't be used, doesn't make a good contact, and it can also short if you wiggle it or if you insert it in properly. And I don't know what the brand it is. It's pretty old, but it's a Blu-ray, so why not take it apart and see if this can be fixed. I mean, it's obviously not expensive unit, as well as there is no data store on it. So why would we want to do this? Because. Just because. We want to take it apart and see if it can be fixed. So essentially it's a USB 2 with additional power DVD burner. I mean, sometimes it's convenient to use on the older systems. Alright, let's see what brand it is. It is HP. TS-LB23, dated 2011, so it's about 12, 13 years old, 11 years old. Let's see. That's the connector. Alright, let's take it apart. Alright, so it's SATA. Just a regular DVD Blu-ray burner. And based on INITIO, I think. Yeah, INITIO chip. That's a SATA to USB bridge, also used in various portable drives. Well, as we can see, we can just desolder this port out of here and just solder the new one back, which I will gonna do maybe like in a day or two. I mean, it doesn't make sense to make a video for it, but it's just the standard stuff, nothing fancy. We just wanted to take it apart and see what's inside, right? So we got it. It's HP DVD Blu-ray burner inside of just a plastic enclosure, and it looks like the company is something. Come on, zoom in. There we go. E-Sun. Alright. All done.